Most of our partners really investigate the companions because they are technicians and they build the companions. And our role is to have more the focus on the user. In the LIREC project, we are interested in comparing human-human relationships and human-companion relationships. So are they similar or are they different? And we found out that they are both, because you have some dimensions that really apply for both, for human-human and human-companion relationships. For example, people perceive relationships in terms of power or intimacy, but they're also different. For example, the dimension of intimacy has to be further distinguished for human-companion relationships. Here we can distinguish between a psychological intimacy. So this deals with the question, how good does the companion really understand the user, and is there some exchange of intimate information, and a physical intimacy which deals with the question, is there any physical contact between the two interaction partners? So we worked with several of the LIREC partners, and in each sub-project we had different aspects that we were investigating. For example, we did a study together with Harriet University and also SIX on trust and confidentiality. So this deals with the question, which data users really would like to give to the companion, and how do they like the companion to go on with that kind of data. We are currently investigating a long-term study with long-term interactions together with the University of Hertfordshire. Then we have with the Wrocław University in Poland, we have a project where we are investigating the EMIS head. There are two aspects here. The first one is, are child users really able to recognize the intended emotional expression of the EMIS head? And another aspect is, how engaged are the child users when interacting with the EMIS head, and which are the characterizing parameters. For example, we have the hypothesis that the personality that the children ascribe to the head has an influence on the interaction behavior. And this is one study we do with Wrocław. With Inieszk in Lisbon, we do a study, or several studies now, where the chess-playing iCat has different types of empathic abilities, and we investigate how those empathic abilities impact the interaction and also the trust of the interaction partners. We found out what is extremely important for the user is control over the interaction and also control over the data. So they don't have that much trust at the moment, but maybe this is a thing that should be addressed to really develop companionship. And normally trust comes from successful interaction. So I think you have to bring people together with companions, and the companions have to show that they are trustworthy.